Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have power, a working cable, and admin rights. Start now. Open Disk Management and locate the drive labeled Unallocated. If the disk shows as not initialized, choose GPT for modern systems, MBR for compatibility. Initializing rights partition metadata so the OS can see volumes. If you care about existing files, pause and run a recovery scan first, because initializing or formatting will overwrite headers. Once initialized, you'll be able to create a partition and proceed to formatting. Now create a partition and format it so the SSD is usable. Use new simple volume in disk management. Pick size, assign a letter, choose NTFS for Windows or XFAT for cross-platform, keep allocation size default. If the GUI won't complete the operation, open command prompt as admin and use disk part. Select the correct disk. Optionally clean, this erases data. Then create partition primary and format fs equals ntfs quick. Disk part is more force. Finish by confirming the new volume, appears in File Explorer, and transfer a small file to test speeds and stability. Make sure Windows uses the proper driver and check Device Manager for errors. Update the SSD firmware with the vendor tool if available, because firmware bugs can hide capacity. If the drive remains unallocated or shows errors after these steps, do a secure erase with manufacturer utilities or run targeted recovery. If problems persist, contact the vendor for RMA. Don't attempt repeated risky wipes if you need to preserve data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.